In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add anchor links in Squarespace. Anchor links, sometimes called jump links, let visitors click text and instantly move to a specific part of the same page. They're perfect for long pages, FAQs, or when you want a quick table of contents at the top. Start by opening your page in the Squarespace editor and navigating to the section you want people to land on. Click directly on that section to select it. You'll see the section controls appear when it's active. Choose Edit Section to open the settings panel for that area. This is where Squarespace keeps the tools that define how a section behaves and how it can be linked. Inside the section settings, look for the anchor link option. Squarespace automatically generates a unique anchor for each section, which ensures the link targets the exact right place. Click the copy icon next to the anchor. This grabs the precise anchor URL or hash, so you don't have to type anything or worry about formatting or typos. Next, decide where you want the clickable link to live. Go back to your page content and navigate to the text that you want to turn into the link. This could be an item in a simple contents list, a line in a paragraph, or a short call to action like jump to details. Select that text so it's highlighted. With the text highlighted, click the link icon in the text toolbar. This opens the link editor for that piece of text. You're telling Squarespace, when someone clicks this, take them to the spot I copied earlier. Now paste the anchor link you copied into the link field. Leave it exactly as it was copied to ensure it points to the correct section. If you see different link types, choose the standard web address option before pasting. Confirm the link to apply your change. From this point on, clicking that text will scroll the visitor straight to your chosen section. If you're previewing inside the editor and don't see the scroll immediately, view the page normally in your browser and try again. Some smooth scrolling effects are clearer outside the edit view. If you later rename or move the section, revisit the section settings and recopy the anchor so your link remains accurate. A quick tip: keep anchor linked text short, clear, and descriptive so visitors know exactly where they're going. For long pages, create a simple list of links at the top and repeat this process for each item to build easy in-page navigation. And that's it. Select the target section, copy its anchor, choose your text, link it, and you're all set.